Hey, you know how fascinated I am with all this tech stuff, right? Well, today I want to chat about something cool but quite dense, bitwise operators in Python. Sounds like it's got all the bit excitement, I'm sure you can tell. Python, as you might already know, isn't just about crisp interfaces and sophisticated libraries, but it's full of nifty tricks. Bitwise operators are one of them. Let's dive into them, shall we? First off, a bitwise operator does exactly what it sounds like. It manipulates individual bits in a binary format. For us programmers, this lets us perform operations at an unprecedented low level. And when I say level, I mean down in the gritty details of how computers actually process data, which is super intriguing to me. Now, we've got several bitwise operators that Python has to offer. The first three are AND, OR and XOR. When I say AND, I mean those lines in the binary representation of two numbers that align, and wherever both bits are 1, here's a 1 in the output, and the rest is a 0. Imagine sitting at the bit table, each person either saying 1 or 0, and you are doing the AND operation. It feels like fun, doesn't it? Or, on the other hand, the OR operation. This time, the lines align wherever either person says 1. It's the bit equivalent of unanimous in a voting scenario. Now, the third operation is the XOR. It's similar to OR but with a twist. It only generates a 1 when exactly one person from the bit table says 1. This operation is like the odd one out among the three, always creating unique results. Then, there are shift operators, and boy, do they exist at two flavors, left shift and right shift. Just as the name suggests, with a left shift, I move every bit in a number to its left by the number of places I tell them to shift, and fill the gaps with zeros. It's like giving the ones a little jump over the zeros. And it's the opposite with right shift. Every bit moves to its right, replacing zeros with infinite zeros, sort of how stars look at us from the Milky Way. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about all this? Well, understanding these bitwise operations can make some computations more efficient. Picture you have to find out if an IP address is in use by a computer. It's faster to do a bitwise AND operation with the given IP against the active IPs, compared to loading the entire database. It's tech magic, my friend. Besides, these operations are the backbone of many sophisticated cryptographic algorithms and error detection and correction codes, which are essential in ensuring the security and reliability of data in transit and at rest. Imagine sending secret messages over the internet. They go through layers of encryption using a myriad of these bitwise operations to ensure they only reach the intended destination, undamaged and with their integrity intact. So, you see, a firm grasp of these operators isn't just for trivia. It's knowledge that's practical, applicable, and can make your IT career more enjoyable and impactful. Before I wrap it up, remember, while these concepts seem like high-level mathematical operations, understanding them at a practical level can open many doors in your IT journey. So, whenever you get into any problem that involves processing bits, just think of me, ready to guide you through it. Always eager to share, my friend.